This paper that was published just a few days ago shows that cancer cells fight our immune system by sending their own bad mitochondria into the immune cells that are there to fight them, so that the immune cells become weak and unable to fight and unable to destroy the cancer cells. At first, they observed that the mitochondrial DNA mutations in the cancer cell mitochondria were appearing in the immune cells around them in the tumor microenvironment. And then they realized it wasn't just the mitochondrial DNA being sent over from the cancer cell to the immune cell, it was the actual entire mitochondria. Not only that, they send over these mitochondria with a protein called USP30, which basically blocks the cell's ability to destroy defective mitochondria. Our cells have the ability to destroy bad mitochondria because we have so many of them. If there's a bad one, we may as well just get rid of it, destroy it, so that it doesn't do damage to the rest of the cell. They send these mitochondria over with the USP30, which blocks that process. So now they've got this invader that they can't even get rid of. And of course, subtle foreshadowing, but what ends up happening as a result of all of this is that the immune cell function becomes impaired. It becomes a weaker immune cell. It can't do the things that it normally does to fight invaders, and so now it can't fight the cancer cell. Until recently, we didn't even know that mitochondria can move from one cell to another. We did learn a few months ago from a paper that cancer cells can steal the mitochondria of healthy cells. Now we're seeing that the process actually happens in reverse as well. It goes both ways. They steal good mitochondria from healthy cells, and they give healthy cells their bad mitochondria, the cells that are planning on fighting them. So we didn't even know this was a possibility, really. And if you ask me, that is a greater discovery and a greater achievement. Like the achievement of this discovery is greater to me than ending up on the moon. So you can't be telling me how is it that we've gone to the moon and not cured cancer, because look what we just found out. And the knowledge that we're acquiring is continuing to tell us what we've known for many, many years, is that there isn't ever going to be just one cure to cancer, because cancer cells are constantly finding ways to fight and fight and fight. And if you chop one head off, you're going to have another one coming up. So there's still so much to learn and still so much to understand about each individual cancer, let alone cancer as a whole. So like, calm down and be patient, please.